Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. We are doing the chapter volume and surface area.
Sir, we have to do question number 9.
Yes, question 9 we have to start.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. We are on exercise 20A, question number 9. Question 9 is how many bricks each of size 25 centimeters by 13.5 centimeters by 6 centimeter will be required to build a wall 8 meter long, 5.4 meter high, and 33 centimeter thick. So, very similar to the questions that we have done in the previous classes. Question 5, 6, 7, all were of the same type. Dimensions of a brick is given. Dimensions of a brick, but one single brick. The dimensions, what will be the dimensions of one brick, that is given. We have to construct a wall using those bricks. Okay. The dimensions of the wall that is to be constructed is also given. Okay, so obviously we are using those bricks to construct the wall. That means the volume of all those bricks together will be equal to the volume of the wall. So if we have to find the total number of bricks that we have used in making the wall, constructing the wall, that will be, how will you find? You will divide the volume of the wall by the volume of each brick. So let's first find out volume of each brick. Okay, same concept which we used in the previous questions also. Volume of each brick is dimensions 25, length is 25 into breadth 13.5. Length into breadth into height is the formula, we all know it. This is the volume of each brick. Now the volume of wall which is to be constructed. This will be the dimensions of the wall are given in meters. Length breadth are in meter. 8 meter, that means 800 centimeters. Convert it in centimeters. 5.4 meter high, that means 540 centimeters. And 33 centimeters the thickness of the wall, that means 33 only because it is in centimeters. So this is the volume of wall. Now the number of bricks which we require to build the wall will be equal to volume of wall divided by volume of each brick. Okay, so 25, sorry, volume of wall is 800 into 540 into 33 upon 25 into 13.5 into 6. Okay, so let's divide by 25. 800 divided by 25. 375 to 32. Okay, and 540 we can divide by 6. So we get 90. Now remove the decimal from 13.5. 32 into 90 into 33 into 10. We have removed the decimal from the denominator, 135. Now, we can divide 135 by 45. I'm dividing by 45. We get 3. 90 you divide by 45, you get 2. 3 and 11. So 32 into 2 into 11 into 10. That means 32 into 22. So 22 into 2 is 44. 22 into 3 is 66. 66 plus 2. Sorry, 66 plus 4. 70. 7040 bricks will be required. Please check the calculation once, all of you.
So
Sorry. Okay. Something weird. Done, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Take just a minute. Let's do the next one. Question 10 is a wall 15-meter long, 13 centimeter wide, 4-meter high is made of bricks, each measuring 22 centimeters by 12.5 centimeters by 7.5 centimeters. Again, the wall is there. The dimensions of the wall are given. The dimensions of each brick are given. If 1 by 12 of total volume of wall consists of mortar, how many bricks are there in the wall? So here in the previous question, they were not considering the uh, cement and the other things that we uh, put in building a wall. Sorry. Do you know that bricks and cement and other some other things are also used to build a wall? So in the previous question, we were constructing the wall by using only bricks. There was no cement, no anything else. Here, there are bricks as well as the cement and other things. So that combination is known as mortar. In all, that is known as mortar. So 1 by 12 of the total volume of the wall consists of mortar. Okay. So that means the volume of bricks in that is only 11 by 12 of the total volume of the wall. So first of all, here we have to find the volume of wall. Volume of each wall will be, if you convert the dimensions in centimeters, you will get 1500 into 15 meter long, 30 centimeter wide, that means this is the thickness of the wall, and 4 meter high, that means 400 centimeters is the height. So we have to multiply in this case. 4 into 3 is 12, 12 into 5 is 180, 115 is 180. 3 into 4, 12, 12 into 15, 180. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is the volume of each wall. Sorry, of the wall, not each wall, of the wall. This is the volume of the wall that is to be constructed. Now, of this volume, the volume of mortar that is used in the wall is 1 by 12 of the volume of the wall. So that means volume of wall where if you consider only the bricks, okay, only bricks, that means we are removing the volume of mortar from the wall. So what will be the volume of only the bricks which are used in the wall? It will be 11 upon 12 times. Why 11 upon 12 times? Because 1 by 12 times of the volume of wall is mortar. So that means the remaining 11 upon 12 is the volume of bricks that is used in the wall, that are used in the wall. So 11 upon 12 times of 18000, how many zeros? 6 zeros.
Sir, it is 1 upon 12.
Beta, 1 upon 12 is the volume of mortar. So remaining 11 upon 12 is the volume of the bricks. Are you getting the point?
Okay, sir.
What is 1 minus 1 upon 12?
Yes, sir.
1 minus 1 upon 12 is 11 upon 12. So 11 upon 12 is the volume of
Okay.
bricks which is used in the wall. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
So 180 divided by 12 is 115, sorry, 15, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So the product is 15 into 11, 165, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the volume of wall which is only consisting of bricks. Okay. Now, volume of each brick. Volume of each brick. The dimensions of the brick 22 into 12.5 into 7.5. This is the volume of each brick. Number of bricks, how will you find? Same concept as we used in the last question also. Number of bricks used to construct the wall equals to volume of the wall which is made up of only bricks. 165,000,000 divided by volume of each brick. 22 into 12.5 into 7.5. So on removing the decimal, you will get 2 more zeros in the numerator. 165,000,000 into 100 upon 22 into 125 into 75. Divide by 25, 5, 4, divide by 5, 3, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, divide by 11, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now dividing by 75 directly. I'm dividing by 75 directly. So 300 को 75 से divide करेंगे, we get 4, 0, 0, 0. And 2 and 4, 2. So answer is 8,000 bricks. 8,000 bricks. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in the question?
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay, question 11 is find the capacity of a rectangular system in liters whose dimensions are this. You will do question 11 is in homework. I am telling you the relation between meter cube and liters. You will get the volume in meter cube in question 11. So this relation which I am telling you is very important. Relation between meter cube and liters. See, in question 11, you will do it in homework. First, you will find the volume of the rectangular cistern. Cistern is the meaning of cistern is a kind of tank, rectangular tank, big tank, where the dimensions are given 11.5. This is the length, 11.2 meters, sorry, 6 meter breadth and 5.8 meter height. So first you find the volume in meter cube and then you convert, you have to find the volume in liters. So for that you will change the volume from meter cube to liters. How will you change? 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. Use this relation to change the volume in liters. Okay, so you will do it in homework. Anything else? Find the area of the iron sheet required to make the system. You have to also find the total surface area of the system. The dimensions are given length, breadth, height. Iron sheet, area of iron sheet. We cover the outer portion of the tank with iron sheet. किसी चीज को जब बनाते हैं तो केवल outer portion में ही लगाते हैं material. Am I right? If we are constructing a tank, the tank is made up of suppose plastic or if it is made up of iron or whatever, the material is used only in the outer portion. Am I right? So that covers the total surface area. So that means you have to find the total surface area also. That will be in meter square only. You cannot change total surface area in liters. उसको liter में change मत कर देना. Area is never converted in liters. Only volume can be changed in liters, not area. So try question 11 in homework. Question 12. The volume of a block of gold is 0.5 meter cube. If it is hammered into a sheet to cover an area of 1 hectare, find the thickness of the sheet. Very good. So we know there is a block of gold. The volume of the block of gold is given. Block means kind of a cube, not cube exactly. It could be cuboid also. Cube or cuboid, anything. In this case, it is a cuboid because the dimensions are length, breadth, and height are not same. They are different, so it will be a cuboid. So volume of a block of gold is equal to 0.5 meter cube. And now we have to hammer it and convert it into a, suppose this is the block of gold. Okay. Now what we have to do, this block of gold we have to hammer it and change it into a Thin sheet, very thin sheet, very thin sheet. Okay, this very thin sheet. Can you see the thickness is very less? So that means it is a very thin sheet. Okay, we have to hammer it and convert it into a thin sheet. So volume of the block will remain the volume of the two items will remain the same because the material used is the same. We are not adding any other extra material in it. सेम चीज को ही कन्वर्ट करके शीट में चेंज किया है. सो वॉल्यूम विल रिमेन द सेम, वॉल्यूम विल बी अनचेंज. Okay, only the shape is changed, the shape of the item is changed, the volume will never change. Okay, if you suppose melt a particular solid and give it a new shape, the volume always remains the same. Okay, if you hammer it and give it a new shape, again the volume will remain the same. So whatever you do with a given solid, if you change the shape in any way, whether by melting it or by hammering it or by something else, the volume remains the same. Okay. So what is the volume given? It is 0.5 meter cube. Now the area of this sheet is given. Area of the sheet is 1 hectare. And we have to find the thickness of the sheet. That means the height of the sheet is missing. This is what we have to find, the thickness, height of the sheet. We know that volume is equal to area, base area into height. I have made you write down the formula. Do you all remember? Volume is equal to area into height, right? And
Yes, sir.
if you convert hectares into meters square, it will be 10,000 meters square. ये भी मैं पहले बता चुका हूँ. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. Hectare is a unit of area. So let's find height using this relation. Volume is equal to area into height. Volume is given 0.5. Area 10,000. Height we have to find out. So height is equal to 0.5 divided by 10,000. So remove the decimal and put one more zero. 5 upon 1 lakh is equal to H. Now when you divide 5 by 1 lakh, you get 0.50000 meters. This is in meter. If you change it in millimeter, you can multiply by 1,000. It will be changed in, sorry, I'm sorry, it is not this. उल्टा लिख दिया मैंने. 4 zeros and then 5. Really sorry. 0.00005 meters. Now, if you want to change it in millimeters, you will multiply by 1,000. So it will become 0.05 millimeters. This is the thickness of the sheet. That means a very thin sheet. Very thin sheet. 0.05 millimeter. So this block is changed into a very thin sheet of 0.05 millimeters. This is the answer. Any doubt? All of you?
No, sir.
Okay, let's do the next one. Question 13. The rainfall recorded on a certain day was 5 centimeter. Find the volume of water that fell on a 2 hectare field. Do you know what is the meaning of rainfall on a certain day was 5 centimeter? Have you ever heard of this? There was a 5 centimeter rainfall, there was a
Yes, sir.
10 centimeter rainfall. In news and newspapers, you must have
Yes,
read
sir.
it or heard the news, something like this. So, what is the meaning of this? Suppose there is a vessel. Suppose there is a vessel. You are having a vessel. Okay. Suppose this is a vessel. And if I suppose I kept it open when there was a rainfall, I kept it open from the top. It's raining, and the vessel will fill up to a particular height depending on the rainfall, how much rainfall is there. So the water is going inside the vessel. So this means the sorry, the vessel will be filled up to a particular height. Am I right? The vessel will be filled up to a
Yes,
particular
sir.
height. So suppose the vessel is filled to a height of 5 centimeters. Let's assume that it is filled to a height of 5 centimeter after the rainfall. When the rainfall is over, we found that the vessel was filled to a height of 5 centimeter. So this means we can now say that the rainfall was of 5 centimeter. There was a 5 centimeter rainfall. Now you understand what is the meaning of 5 centimeter rainfall, 10 centimeter rainfall, or 8
Yes, sir.
centimeter rainfall. So in the same way here it is given that there was a 5 centimeter rainfall in a particular area on a particular day. Find the volume of water that fell on a 2 hectare field. The area of the field is given. The height of the water is also given. Two things are given. Area of field is given and the height of the water is given. Okay. Note down both the things. Question number 13. Area of field on which we have recorded the rainfall. The area of the field was 2 hectare, which is equal to 20,000 meters square. This was the area of the field, and the height is 5 centimeter, because they have said in the question only it is given that there was a 5 centimeter rainfall. That means the water was filled to a height of 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter height तक पानी भर गया था. So can we find the volume? Yes, we can find the volume. Volume is equals to area into height. So many times we have used this formula in so many questions. So area is 20,000 meter square. Height is 5 centimeter. Change it in meters. 0.05 meter. Divide by 100. 0.05 meter. Now you can multiply and you will get the volume in meter cube. So what is this? 200 into 5. That means 1000 meter cube rainfall. Sorry, 1000 meter cube uh, water fell on the field. This much water was there on the field. 1000 meter cube water. If you want to change it in liters, you will multiply by 1000. So this will give you 10 lakh liters of water. 10 lakh liters. Okay. Any doubt in the question? All of you?
No, sir.
Easy concept. Next one. A river 2 meter deep, 45 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 3 kilometer per hour. Okay, I will question 14 will take some time to explain. So we will do question 14 tomorrow because last 6 minutes are left in the meeting. We will not be able to do this question in 6 minutes. Let's do question number 15 first. This one will also take time. We will do question 15 also later on. Question
Sir,
16, yes.
sir, sir, I have doubt in question number 3. Sir, my answer is not coming.
You have doubt in
Question number 3.
question number 3. Okay, I'm just telling you. Just telling beta. Let me share my link in the next class. Just a minute.
Okay, sir.
Okay, question 3 you are asking, right?
Yes, sir.
A solid rectangular piece of iron measures 1.05 meter by 70 centimeter by 1.5 centimeters. That means length, breadth, and height of iron piece are given. Rectangular piece of iron. Find the weight of this piece in kilograms. If 1 centimeter cube of iron, you will find the volume and multiply by 8. Simple. What happened?
Okay, sir.
Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Length is given in meters, so change it in centimeter, 105 centimeters. Breadth 70, height 1.5. So 105 into 15 into 7. What is the product? 105 into 7 into 15. 11,025. Right? 11,025. Now you multiply
Yes.
the volume by 8. You will get the weight in grams. Start doing it. Tell the answer.
Sir, 88,200. Sir, 88,200.
Yes. What is the answer? Ashish?
Sir, 88, sir, 88,200.
88,200. Right answer. 88,200 grams. Okay. Just a minute, beta.
Okay, sir.
Hello.